Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of ultra-luxury and prestige with the 2026 Cadillac V16 Limousine Camper. A bold fusion of executive elegance and long-distance comfort, this limousine-style camper redefines what it means to travel in absolute luxury. First, let's talk about the interior. Cadillac has a long-standing reputation for American luxury, and the 2026 V16 Limousine Camper takes that legacy to an entirely new level. Step inside and you're welcomed by a grand, lounge-inspired living space that blends classic Cadillac elegance with modern technology. Premium hand-stitched leather, real walnut wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents dominate the cabin. The main lounge features a massive curved OLED display, a studio-grade surround sound system, and expansive panoramic windows that flood the interior with natural light. The gourmet kitchen comes fully equipped with luxury-grade appliances, including a built-in espresso system, a full-size refrigerator, and a climate-controlled beverage cabinet. The private rear suite features a limousine-style king bed with ambient lighting, while the spa-inspired bathroom includes marble finishes, a rainfall shower, and premium chrome fixtures, delivering 5-star comfort wherever the road takes you. Now moving to the exterior, the 2026 Cadillac V16 Limousine Camper is nothing short of commanding. Its long wheelbase limousine profile, combined with sharp Cadillac design cues, creates an unmistakable road presence. The sculpted body lines and bold front fascia enhance aerodynamic efficiency while maintaining a stately appearance. Finished in exclusive multi-layer metallic paint options, the exterior offers both elegance and durability. A powered deployable awning extends the living space outdoors, while polished 22-inch alloy wheels and illuminated Cadillac crests emphasize its prestige. Built on a reinforced luxury chassis, the camper delivers outstanding stability and ride comfort without compromising structural strength. Every exterior detail reflects Cadillac's commitment to craftsmanship and dominance on the road. Power comes from a newly engineered 8.2-liter V16 engine designed to deliver effortless acceleration and smooth cruising power. Whether gliding along open highways or navigating urban routes, this camper offers a refined and confident driving experience. The adaptive air suspension system ensures a whisper-smooth ride, even over uneven surfaces. Paired with an intelligent multi-speed automatic transmission, gear shifts are seamless and responsive. Advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and automated parking support, make maneuvering this large luxury camper remarkably easy. Finally, let's talk about the price. The 2026 Cadillac V16 Limousine Camper sits firmly at the top of the luxury market, and its pricing reflects its exclusivity. With an estimated starting price of around $650,000, this is not a camper designed for the masses. Instead, it caters to buyers seeking unmatched prestige, craftsmanship, and presence. The price includes bespoke interior customization, advanced technology, and the iconic Cadillac luxury experience. To sum up, the 2026 Cadillac V16 Limousine Camper is an extraordinary blend of executive luxury, powerful performance, and advanced technology. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country journey or arriving in style at your next destination, this Cadillac camper delivers excellence on every level. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.